Hello everyone, in this video let's break down a common Flutter build error that many Android developers run into when using package like skflight for local storages. So you can see the error. Execution failed for task skflight Android compile debug Java with JavaC. So actually what's happening here? Flutter is trying to build your Android app and it reaches a part where it needs to compile Java code for the skflight Android plugin. Because so this is my pubspec.yaml file. There you can see I have used skflight package. So this package is for handle the local storage for the mobile devices. So to store the data in the local databases, I use this skflight. So this is, you can see, that is the that shows the execution error for this package. So actually to compile the Java code for that plugin, Flutter uses a tool called jlink. So it comes with the Java runtime bundled inside Android Studio. So but there is a problem, right? So you can see it fails to transform core-for-system-modules.jar file. So actually the tool tries to process it, but something goes wrong. So it can be due to a corrupt SDK file or incompatible JDK or Gradle not handling the system modules correctly. So here I have found one way to solve this problem. So now let's see how to do that. So first, check your current JDK version. So I'm using here Java 17, and after that, if you have installed more than one Java version, check your Java home variable. So now you can see my Java home path is for JDK 17, right? So if I check that one in my environment variables, you can see in the path I have added that JDK 22 and JDK 17. So in my Java home, you can see it is JDK 17, right? So the recommended JDK version for Android and most of the Flutter applications is JDK 17. So I recommended to use JDK 17. So after that, I go to the Android Studio. So there in the project structure, so you can see the SDK version is 17, right? So these are the two versions, 17 and 22. Those are already installed in my local machines, and these are the detected SDKs which comes from JetBrains runtime. So here I select the 17 and click OK. So now open the terminal and I clean everything, and after that pub-get to fetch the dependencies, and let's try to run the application again. I open the main file and you can see I'm still getting the error, but we follow some steps. So actually here what happening is I changed that SDK version for 17, but for the execution it didn't use that. So what we have to do is open the gradle properties file. Here you have to specify which JDK version you should use for the execution. So you have to add this org.gradle.java.home and set it for JDK 17, because this is the path where I have installed the JDK 17. So after that I try to run the application again. Yes, now you can see the build has successfully built the application, and now it's installing, I guess. Yeah, it's installed. Yeah.